Jamb 2011 economics past question 24. It says use the diagram below to answer question 24. On question 24 we have a diagram just as we have in 23 that has price. On our price side we have 18, 15 and 10. On the quantity side, which is in units, we have 10, 20, 40. The diagrams we have MC, which is marginal costs, ATC, which is average total costs, AVC, which is average variable costs. The question says, when 20 units of output is produced, TC will be option A says 360, option B says 300, option C says 460, option D says 400, all in naira. Now the TC, which is total costs, okay, may be defined as the total sum of fixed and variable costs. So that is total sum of fixed plus variable costs incurred by an enterprise in the production of a particular commodity. So our TC has two formulas. Either your TC is in addition or it is in multiplication, which is average total cost times your quantity. So from our question, 20 units is in quantity. So our TC will be equals to 20 units. When it was 20 units times 18 naira. So we got our 18 naira from, if you look at the curve, AVC curve cuts at 18. So and the ATC curve cuts at 18. So we're going to have 18 times 20 will give us 360 naira. So therefore our TC will be 360, which is option A. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.